Hi folks, in this video we're going to look at the branched alkane where you have a branch. So this is a halo, it's a hydrocarbon molecule, but there's a double bond there. That means it's an alkane, right? By saying the double bond, it's an alkane, but in this chain there's a branch there. So that's why we say it's a branched alkene, right? Branch alkene, guys, not branch alkane, branch alkene, right? Now this is a very important thing. Double bond that takes preference than the branch or the side chain or an alkyl group. What does it mean? If there's a double bond there, in terms of numbering the carbon, you only look at the double bond. You do not consider the side chain or the branch in that case. So let's look at number one. In number one, we have, let's count first. You've counted the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, right? So this longest chain that we have is 3. It includes the functional group, which is the double bond. That's important. Or we can say 1, 2, 3, right? Still, it's 3, it's the longest. It includes the functional group, which is fine. So we have these two options, this and this option, right? We cannot have the option like this, 1, 2, 3. So this one, it excludes the double bond, so it's not an option. So let's take this option. But now, in terms of numbering the carbon, we have these two ends. We have this parent, right? We have chose this one. Okay, let me label it. We've chosen this parent. Now we have this end and this end. Where is the double bond close to? Is it closer to this end or to this end? It's closer to this one, right? You can see it's there. It's closer to this one. So this one will be carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, right? We only look at the double bond. We don't look at the branch or an alkyl group or the side chain. Where is it, right? We know here we have a what? A methyl, right? So when we name now, we're going to start now naming. We're going to start with the what? With the methyl. We start with the branch when we name. But in terms of numbering the carbon, we don't consider the branch, we consider the double bond. So the name, it's going to be, the methyl is where? Is in carbon 2. So we're going to state the address of methyl. It's 2-methyl, right? And then our parent, it's what? It's prop, right? It's prop. And then where is the double bond? It's between 1 and 2. It's in carbon what? 1, right? So it's going to be prop 1 Na, right? Guys, I'm going to, okay, let me do the condensed structural formula for that. It's going to be CH3. I hope you're following. CH3, this one. And then in C, there's no hydrogen that is bonded to this one. It's going to be C. And then you can say open bracket CH3, which is this branch, right? And then you can say, CH 2. So that means here there's a double bond between these two. Okay, let me use another way. You can say CH3 and then C, and then you say CH3 and then double bond, and then you say CH2, right? Those are the condensed structure for that. Let's look at this one quickly. Let's count the longest chain. We see there's a double bond, so longest chain, it might include the double bond, which is the functional group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's this or this, right? So it doesn't matter if it's this way or that way. It doesn't matter now, for now. So the longest chain is this one. Let's take the easy one, this one. So it's gonna be, that's our parent. How many are there? It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count. Where is the double bond closest? Is it closer to this side or to this side? It's closer to this side because it's 1, 2. So it's in carbon 2. So it's in carbon 2. Here in this side is 1, 2. It's in carbon 2 as well from this side. 1, 2. 1, 2, right? So it's in the middle, the double bond. Now, if it's in the middle, but the branch, it's in closer to this side. So we're gonna say this is what? Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So, guys, it's in the middle, right? But now, since it's in the middle, so this can be what? Carbon 1 and carbon 1. only the double bond. Let's exclude this one. So it's in the middle. So this can be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you get me? So it will be always in carbon 2 in any side there. But since there's a branch and the branch is closer to this side, so we're gonna make this side as carbon 1, not this side, because of the branch. So again, when we name the branch alkene, we start with the branch. We have a methyl there in carbon 2, so it's gonna be 2 methyl. What? 2 methyl, and this is 4. It's going to be but. And then where's the double bond? It's 1, 2. It's in carbon 2, 2, Na. Right? And then the condensed, this is the last one, the condensed CH3, C, CH3. Right? So it's the CH3, and then bond C, and then branch CH3, and then double bond, and then CH, this is the CH, and then bond CH3, this is the CH3. There's another option which is similar to this one. I'm not going to do it. Okay, let's look at example 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4 longest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're gonna take this one. It's 4 the longest. So you cannot take this one, guys, because it's the shortest, and also it excluded that one. It must be included, this one, in the longest chain. So our parent here, it's gonna be that one. So you can tell the double bond in this is closer to this side. So this is gonna be what? Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4. So now again, when we name the branched alkene, we start with the branch. The alkene is in what? It's in carbon 3. So we're gonna say 3 what? Methyl. We have a methyl in carbon 3, and then it's but, because there are 4 carbons. And then where's the double bond? It's in carbon 1, 2. 1 and 2 is what? It's 1. So it's in 1 Na. Right? All right. So let's go to this one. We have the longest. The longest, we can say, okay, I did not finish here the carbons. Okay, it's everything correct. So let's say the longest is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6. It's 6. It's 6. So in any case, it's 6. It's 6. It's 6. Right? So let's take the easiest. This one. Right? So, but now in this longest chain, the double bond is included. Where is it closer? Is it closer to this side or to this side? We can tell it's closer to this side because it's 1, 2. It's in carbon 2. It's 1, 2, 3. It's closer to. So numbering. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now you need to be careful. Now you have branches now, quite a lot. So you have 1 methyl, another methyl, and this one, careful, it's 2 methyl, which is, it's a ethyl. It's not 2 methyl, it's ethyl. This one is methyl, and then is what? Is methyl. So the name of this one, you start with branches. You start with branches, né? So you have 2 branches. So naming this one, we have 2 methyls and 1 ethyl. But now when you have branches, methyl, a variety, you must start with the what? With the ethyl, right? So you're gonna start and show where's the ethyl. It's in carbon 4. It's in carbon 4, and then you say 4 ethyl. You're stating where's the ethyl, because you start with the alphabetical order. You start with the E. The E comes before M. So it's gonna be 4 ethyl, and then you state the methyls. So the methyl, it's at what? 2 and 4. So you say 2, 4 dimethyl, and then at the longest chain here, it's hex because it's 6. So it's gonna be hex, And then where's the double bond? The double bond, it's in carbon what? 2, because it's between 2 and 3. So it's 2 and that's it. I hope it makes sense. The last two examples. In this one we have, this is an alkene. Let's see if it's branched or what. So we counted the number of carbons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the longest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we cannot take this one because it excludes this one, right? So the best option is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is this one, right? And or we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So any between this one and this one. So let's take this one. So it's gonna be that one. So now we have branches. This one is a what? It's an ethyl, and this one is a what? Is a methyl. We have two branches. So we have one end, and this is our chain, our longest chain. This is our longest chain. So we have this end and this end. So we have this end and this end. So we check where's the double bond closest. Let's look at from this side. 1, 2, it's in carbon 2 from this side. From this side, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's in carbon 4. So the carbon 1 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So it's closer to that side. So when we name, we start with the branches, which is the branch. We have an ethyl and methyl. We're going to start with the ethyl. Where's the ethyl? It's in carbon 3, right? So it's going to be 3 ethyl, and then we stay to the methyl. Where's the methyl? The methyl is there. It's in carbon 5. So it's going to be 5 methyl, and then it's hex because there are 6 carbons in this longest chain. And then where's the double bond? It's in carbon 3 and 2, so it's going to be what? 2. Guys, I'm sorry about the noise in the background. Is my child watching the TV. Right, now let's look at this one. This one, it's a condensed. We can write it the name and the structure. Let's do the structure quickly. We want the name from this condensed, but it's easy. But let's start with this one. It's CH3, CH3, and then the CH, and then the branch, CH3, and then CH2, and then CH2, and then CH, and then there's a branch there, CH3, and then there's a CH3 there, right? So, but noting here, where did I go wrong? It's a CH3, CH3, CH, CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, and the CH here. This one is supposed to be a CH. So once it's a CH there, that means there's a double bond there. The double bond, it has to be here. I know something wrong. Okay, let's look at this one again. It's a CH2, CH, and the C. It's supposed to be C, this one, right? It's supposed to be C, not the CH. So here it's gonna be just a C, guys, not a CH. It's gonna be a C there. So here there's no bond there. So the double bond is gonna be here. It's going to be here, the double bond, and there's a double bond. So it's a C. It's a C with the CH3 branch, C with the CH3 branch, and then the CH3 there. So the longest chain here, let's count it, the longest chain. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 5, 6, right? Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So it's this or this, right? This or this or this, right? So let's take the normal one, this. So we have this end and this end. So which one is closer? It's this side. It's closer to this side. 1, 2. It's in carbon 2. And this side is far. Do you see the bond is not closer to this side? It's closer. So this is going to be what? Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5, carbon 6. So we have two branches. We have methyl and methyl. So we have to state the two branches first. It's gonna be 2 and 5, right? This isn't 2, this is it 2, and this isn't 5. So it's gonna be 2,5 dimethyl, and then hex, and then where's the double bond? It's in between 1, 2, it's between 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So it's gonna be 2, like that, 2,5 dimethyl hex 2Na. Guys, I hope it makes sense. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Cheers, bye.